Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update Roblox. So at first, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for Roblox, and you'll find Roblox player. This means you have the desktop version of Roblox. So just open it. And after opening it, the Roblox player will open and load up. And after that, to update it, just simply close it and reopen it. Just go to search and type Roblox player again and just reopen it. And after that, it should auto update before opening. But if that doesn't work, what you have to do is just close this and go to add or remove. Then just go to add or remove programs. In here, type Roblox. Then just right click on Roblox player in the three dot icon and click on install. And after you install this, simply just go ahead and open up your browser. Then just go to roblox.com. Then just sign into your account and try to open a game. Just click on play. And it should give you the prompt that download Roblox to play, and just click on download Roblox from here. And after the installer downloads, just click on it to install, and it will install the latest version of Roblox for you. And basically that is how to update Roblox player. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.